Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chooks. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove items or objects from images. And I'm going to do this using the Copilot feature incorporated into the Microsoft Paint application. It's actually a new feature into the Microsoft Paint application. So let's get started into that. Let's take a look at the images quickly. You can see this image right here with a nice shade, and you can see this and as well as this one. So we're going to play around with these three images. First off, let's start with this. So I'm going to right click on the image right here, and I'll click on open with, and of course I'm going to open with paint. Now you can see we have two bodies right here. We have the guy and we have the lady. So let's just do something interesting. Let's go ahead and remove the lady, and let's see if it's going to remove it and replace with the cloud or with the sky or whatever. So let me click on this Copilot option. You can see the new Copilot option right here incorporated into this Microsoft Paint. So go ahead and click on that drop down, and let's select the generative erase, this one right here. Okay, I'm going to click on the generative erase, and I'll just kind of scale up my brush, to fasten the process. Okay, so this is my brush, so I'm going to select, I think that's a bit big, so I'm going to select the lady right here all through. And when I've got that selected, I'm going to click on apply. Let's see what the result is going to look like. Now here you can see it has actually removed the object and replaced with shooting cloud and everything, and you can hardly tell that there was someone here before. So you can go ahead and save changes by, let's say, Ctrl X. The changes has been saved. Let's go ahead and close this out, and you can see the image right here. So let me go ahead and open up the image, and yeah, here we go. So you can see that you can hardly tell that there was someone here before. You can hardly tell. In fact, you can't even tell. Okay, you can't tell. So let's go ahead and close this out, and let me edit another one, and it's going to be this dice right here. So I'll right click, and then I'm going to select open with, and of course you can guess open with paint. And over here, let's kind of zoom in a bit. Let's have a closer look, and you can see the obvious objects that we have right here. So let's do one quick thing. Let's of course click on the Copilot and select the generative erase, and of course let me just scale up a little bit, and I can just turn this right here, this side of the dice, I can just turn it into 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the center right here and click on apply. And now you can see how good that looks. We now have 4 right here, and you can never tell that this was the 5. You can never tell. Let's also go ahead and remove this entire dice right here, including the shadow. So let me go ahead and select that, all this. And that's all. I'm going to click on apply. And yeah, you can see how beautiful that looks. The dice is totally gone, and the background is being replaced by a suiting background that suits the design and the feel that we have right here. You can see how cool that is. So we're going to head to remove the dice right here and the shadow as well, and we change this right here to side number 4, as well as this we have side number 4 to side number 4. Okay, and that's it. Let's go ahead and save this file, Ctrl S, and it's saved. So let's go ahead and open it up, and let's see. There we go, you can see that. Now let's check the last image for this video. I'll right click on that, open with, and of course open with paint right here. We have this young lady and this young man. So let's go ahead and remove this young man entirely. Now I of course click on the Copilot generative erase. Let's go ahead and scale up the brush a little bit more. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and shade up all these items right here from the head. So I'm gonna leave that and I'll click on apply. And guys, you can see the final result. This is amazing. This is very amazing. Now the guy is gone and you have the lady right here and it's looking so original. And of course, let me go ahead and save that up and let's go ahead and view that from the photo viewer. And yeah, you can see how nice that looks. You can see how nice and original it looks. The only way you can get the Microsoft Paint is if you have the Microsoft Office package installed on your PC, and if you do, then automatically you have the Microsoft Paint application. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know any other tool that interests you that can do this kind of job in the comment section, and click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification. I will see you in the next video.